Ladies and gentlemen, sit down, buckle up, and get ready, because what is sitting in front of me right now is the 2027 Tesla Model Y, and I am telling you straight up, this is not the Model Y you remember. This is bigger. This is bolder. This is sharper. This is Tesla completely rewriting the rulebook on what an electric SUV is supposed to look like, feel like, and perform like. New, improved, upgraded, re-engineered from the ground up. Let's get into it. Just look at this front fascia. There is no grille. There is no wasted space. Just this smooth sculpted, aerodynamic face with a single unbroken light bar stretching edge to edge. Glowing, sharp, futuristic. This is a design language that says, we don't need a grille to look powerful. We need presence. And trust me, this thing has presence. That matte black wrap soaking up the sunlight, completely flat, completely aggressive, zero shine, all attitude. This is a Model Y built to intimidate. Walk around back with me, because this rear end is an absolute statement piece. That full-width tail light bar glowing red across the back, the Tesla logo dead center, and underneath. This aggressive multi-fin diffuser that looks like it belongs on a performance car, not a family SUV. This is Tesla telling the world that efficiency and aggression are no longer mutually exclusive. You can have both. You can have it all. Now check out this side profile, because this silhouette is pure motion, even parked completely still. That fastback roofline sweeping down into a subtle rear spoiler, flush door handles slicing through the air, and these matte black multi-spoke wheels wrapped around red brake calipers peeking through. That is a performance signature. That right there tells you this Model Y isn't just here to commute, it's here to compete. The proportions on this thing are flawless. Short overhangs, a wide planted stance, and not a single wasted line anywhere on this body. Every single surface has been sculpted for one purpose: cutting through the air with maximum efficiency while looking absolutely devastating doing it. Now let's step inside, because Tesla did not hold back on this cabin. The second that door opens, you're met with this crisp white and black two-tone interior that feels like stepping into a spaceship lounge. Clean lines, minimalist dash, zero clutter, just pure deliberate design. And right in the center, that massive, ultra-responsive touchscreen running Tesla's most advanced software suite yet, controlling everything from climate to navigation to entertainment with lightning-fast precision. Look at this steering wheel. Sculpted, ergonomic, wrapped in premium material, paired with a crisp digital cluster sitting right above it, feeding you real-time speed, range, and navigation without ever taking your eyes off the road. The ambient lighting tracing along the dash and door panels in this electric blue glow gives the whole cabin this futuristic, almost aircraft cockpit feel. These seats, ventilated, heated, power adjustable, wrapped in this premium vegan leather that feels incredible against the skin. Front and rear passengers are treated like royalty here. Panoramic glass roof pouring light into the cabin, generous rear legroom, and a completely flat floor thanks to that skateboard EV platform underneath. This is a cabin engineered for comfort without sacrificing 1 ounce of that high-tech, high-performance identity. Now let's talk about what's under the floor, because this is where the Model Y absolutely dominates. Dual motor, all-wheel drive setup delivering instant, brutal torque the second you touch that accelerator. 0 to 60 in a blink. No turbo lag, no hesitation. Just immediate, violent acceleration that pins you back into that seat every single time. This is electric performance at its most savage. Handling is razor sharp. Low center of gravity thanks to that battery pack sitting flat along the floor, giving this SUV go-kart-like agility through corners that most gas-powered SUVs could only dream of matching. The steering is tight, direct, confident. The suspension soaks up rough pavement beautifully while still keeping this thing planted and composed when you decide to push it. And let's talk range and charging, because Tesla's supercharger network paired with this next-generation battery architecture means you are covering serious mileage on a single charge and topping back up in a fraction of the time it used to take. Road trips are no longer a compromise. This is convenience combined with brutal, electrified performance. The technology stack on this thing is next level. Full self-driving capability continuing to evolve. Over-the-air updates constantly making this vehicle smarter and faster the longer you own it. A premium audio system that turns every drive into a concert hall experience. And safety systems so advanced they're constantly scanning, predicting, and protecting you and your passengers in real time. This is the 2027 Tesla Model Y. This is Tesla refusing to sit still. This is Tesla saying, we are not just building electric vehicles anymore. We are building the future, and we are doing it faster, bolder, and more aggressively than anyone else in this industry. Every single curve on this body, every pixel on that screen, every ounce of torque under that floor was engineered with one mission: total domination of the electric SUV segment. So let me ask you straight up, would you park this matte black beast in your driveway? Drop a bold yes in the comments right now if this 2027 Model Y just earned a spot on your dream garage list. And if this video hyped you up even half as much as it hyped me up filming it, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, because we are just getting started and you do not want to miss what's coming next. This is your host, signing off. Stay powerful, stay electrified, and I will see you in the next one.